Hello everyone, welcome to Huawei HMS Trainings. I'm Jem, working as developer advocate on Huawei mobile services, and today we are going to talk about Huawei Ads Mediation. We will cover how an ad request works, what is mediation, what the pros and cons are. Then we will talk about Huawei Ads Mediation adapters for networks, mediation preparations, and how Huawei Mediation is applied to our projects. Let's begin then. When an ad request is created, first, the request goes to ad network server via its SDK. Then, an auction is created on Exchange server for advertisers. When the auction is finalized, the highest bidding advertiser has the right to send an advertisement to the request and to the ad unit. This helps you maximize your income and revenue. This is the simple process of ad request workflow. So, what is mediation? Mediation is a feature that lets you incorporate with multiple ad networks for your ad unit requests. In other words, mediation increases this competition and makes it wider. The competition is not only between different advertisers, but also between other ad networks. Therefore, mediation creates a bigger auction and chances to increase revenue. The more advertisers to compete in the auction, the higher bidding chance for us. All these processes are completed automatically. Mediation implementation is very easy. Adding mediated network SDKs and their adapters into your Gradle file is enough. No other development is required. Let's take a look at pros and cons list, starting with the advantages. Firstly, the biggest advantage of the mediation adapter is it lets you gather ads from different ad networks without changing your code. Also, it will provide more ad sources for bidding, and there will be better filling rates. Lastly, all these factors come together to provide higher income revenue. Now, we will talk about topics which can be considered disadvantages. The number of SDKs used in implementation will increase by 1. It may also cause a slight increase in size. It requires some configurations in the related ad network console too. As the request will be accessing multiple ad networks, this may result in a negligible increase in request and response times. Pros and cons should be considered and decided according to the individual business. Using only one ad network is simple and may be enough for your business. However, increasing the revenue from ads is definitely worthwhile. You can add Huawei ads for multiple leading ad networks for mediation, such as Admob, Mopub, and Smaato. Also, you can use our mediation adapters for your cross-platform applications too. Currently, mediation adapters support native Android, React Native, Flutter, and Cordova platforms. Now, let's take a look at how to apply Huawei Ads Network for mediation on Mopub, and how Huawei Ads can help you increase your revenue from ads business with more advertisement companies through mediation. It is very simple. Mediation is a 3-step process. First step is Huawei Ads Platform, which can take approximately around 5 minutes. It is the creation of ad units in Huawei platform. Second step is Mopub platform configurations, such as ad unit creation and parameter configuration for mediation. Third step is modifying the application by adding adapter to the dependency in Gradle file. This last step will not take more than 1 minute. Altogether, these steps take approximately 10 to 15 minutes, if the accounts are already created and ready in related platforms. Let's check these steps closer one by one. For the first step, Huawei Ads Platform, all you need is an ad unit ID and that's all. We will use this ID on Mopub configuration later. For the second step, Mopub Platform, first, you need to create an ad unit for mediation to apply. Then, you must create a new order. This order will enable us to reach ad sources and manage our mediation settings. And after creating the order, we should create a new line item. This line item includes our mediation adapter class information and ad unit ID from Huawei Ads. The first two parameters, order name and line item name, are for information purposes. Type and priority, network, custom event class, and custom event data are for our mediation configuration. Type should be chosen as network line item, and network should be set to custom SDK network. Custom event class depends on which type of ad unit it will be attached to. In this example, we see the setting banner is chosen. We will also be providing other types of custom event classes in the references. Lastly, The custom event data field is populated with ad unit ID from Huawei Ads and also can be used for edge consent or content URLs. After creating a line item, we choose an ad unit which we created before on the Mopub platform. When we continue to the next step, we see audience targeting options. We can change targeting options too, like choosing a country, connectivity type, or device and OS filtering for the line item to apply. This was all for the Mopub side. For the last step, all we have to do to see Huawei Ads on our application is to add Huawei Ads library and the mediation adapter dependency for Mopub. Now we are set. Our mediation adapters also work with cross-platforms. However, it is important to note that some ad types may not be compatible with the platform. Compatibility charts can be found on our mediation GitHub page. To sum up, Huawei mediation libraries serve as a bridge between Huawei Ads and ad network platforms. These adapters map each supported ad type, that is, banner, interstitial, rewards and native, to a corresponding Huawei Ads type. Developers can eliminate the need of having to modify and maintain source code. Everything is done by the adapter. No need to change anything on the source code. Furthermore, even if the ads come from Huawei Ads platform, it forwards every event back to ad network platform. Therefore, you can follow each event on ad network consoles. You can find the repositories where you can find our adapters and references for instructions, further information and support in the description. You are always welcome to ask your technical questions in our support forums. I'm Jem, and this is Huawei HMS Trainings.